Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my Zen Corner setup and two DIYs I did for my Zen Corner. And these are the plants near my house. I just wanted to share with you guys. You can see how beautiful they look. So let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, I am taking here a old vegetable cutter on which I am going to paint with enamel paint. I am using yellow color here. I will allow the first coat to dry and then apply the second coat and allow it to dry for another 24 hours, and then I will finally apply a layer of varnish. So after it's done, I have traced this picture onto the vegetable cutter and I am going to color it quite colorfully. So the first color I am using here is orange. So I have applied the orange paint wherever I feel like, and then I am taking pink here. The colors that I am using here are of my choice, friends. If you want to use different colors, then go ahead, you can experiment with different colors. I wanted to share a beautiful quote with you, friends. You cannot do harm to someone because someone has done harm to you. You will pay just like they will. That's karma. So it's better to stay away from such kind of people and have your peace of mind, because there is karma for everything we do. On the face, I'll be using half red color and half yellow color. So after completing 50%, this is how it looks, friends. Now I am going to use black for the outer section like this. So you can see black is such a vibrant color. It could instantly give details to any picture. So we all know, friends, that black is such a dominant color in painting. So I am going to give detailing to my picture using this black color. I am going to give outline of the picture using this black paint. Now our picture is almost 80% complete. Now I am going to just keep dots using backside of the brush like this. So our DIY is completed, friends. So this is how it looks. You can see how colorful it looks. I just loved it. It looks so vibrant. If you guys like this DIY, do let me know in the comment section below. For the second DIY, I have this bird hanging which I got from Amazon long back. You can see the color has actually faded out. So I'm just going to use gold spray paint here and I'm going to spray it on both the sides and I'm going to let it dry. So this is the space where I'm going to create my Zen corner. This is actually in my living room. I'm not going to create the Zen corner in my balcony because my balcony there are a lot of AC exhaust, so the plants will not actually survive. So I'm going to create the Zen corner in my living space. So let's start. So first thing, I'm going to keep here the Buddha face. This Buddha face was a gift to me on my marriage. So and I'm going to place a small Buddha like this. And then I'm going to add in this artificial plant over here. And then on the other side, I'm going to add these artificial leaves. So this is actually a speaker box setup. So I have a small space here where I'm going to add this shell flower. And on the side I'm going to add in this DIY fish wall hanging. So you can see it looks so colorful, and this is one of my favorite DIY which I have done. I'll share the link of all my DIYs in the description box. Now on the floor I'm going to add this artificial grass mat. This artificial grass mat I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. And I'm going to take my Buddha statue. This Buddha statue I have got from Snapdeal around 5 years back, and this tool I got from Urban Ladder around 5 years back. So actually I have stuck the Buddha to this tool, so like it never falls. I use double-sided tape, so it's always like that. The stool and Buddha remains together. So I have placed the Buddha over here like this. Now to add in more beauty to my Zen corner, I am going to bring in plants. Friends, if you live in an apartment, it's always better to get indoor plants than the outdoor ones, because most of the apartments have AC outdoor unit in the balcony. So if you have 3 or 4 balconies or 2 or 3 balconies, it's fine. But if you have one balcony like me, it's better to get indoor plants. So I have added my indoor plants here. So this is how it looks. Add in some pop of color. I am adding my stone art and some decor pieces here like this. Now on the stool I am going to add in some 2 ducks like this. This I got from a local shop in Chennai. So I am just going to add these ducks like this. These ducks are one of my favorite home decor items that I own, because it's also special because my aunt gave it as a gift to me. And then I am going to add in this artificial plant here. And then finally I am going to add a small Buddha face. And it's time for us to add in our DIY. So you can see once our DIY is added, the space has become so colorful and vibrant. Do let me know your comments in the comment section below, friends. Now I am going to add in 2 hooks like this to the shelf here. So to the hook I am going to add in our DIY, second DIY. You can see this wind chime looks so beautiful here. On the floor I have added another DIY of mine. You can see how I made this. I will put the link in the description box below, and I have shifted the rabbits to the front like this. And on the other hook I am adding another wind chime. And that completes our Zen corner. So here is the final reveal for you guys. guys would have liked this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also please do let me know in the comment section below, because it motivates me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and click on the ting 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 bell icon. Only then you get notification of all my future videos. I have given my Facebook and Instagram ID in the description box. Do follow me there for more interesting updates. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.